everybody, welcome back to today's video. Today I thought I'd talk about self-care. Now this is something that I've really tried to focus on in my life, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've every day in April I'm creating a self-care quote post just to help other people that are struggling with self-care. I struggle from anxiety and depression as well, and I really find self-care helps me to kind of control it. So I thought I'd talk about today 10 self-care things that don't have to cost you anything, that are free. Now this is difficult because free is obviously, there's free and then there's free, but I've included things on this list that someone would already have around the house, so it's not going to cost you anything extra, if that makes sense. Anyway, so I thought I'd share 10 self-care things today that hopefully will help you. So number one is going for a walk. Now, before lockdown, I used to hate walking, but without a purpose. Walking without a purpose, because I liked walking to like the shops and stuff, but walking without a purpose. But now I love just going for a walk in the afternoon round. I live near a river, so I like going down to the river, just walking around and just, getting out of the house, not feeling trapped. And it doesn't matter then if that's all I did that day, but I got out of the house and I accomplished something. Number two is read a book. I recently got into reading and I love it. Now, I did buy myself a Kindle because I wanted something more portable, because I want to do lots of travelling. So I did purchase that. But now, any books I want to read, I bought it with Kindle Unlimited. So any books I want to read, they're not going to cost me anything additional. It was a one-time purchase, and it's something now I've got for the year. But obviously, you can wait up, because obviously you can go to the library, you can borrow a book off someone. There's lots of options, but I really love reading a book. Number three is putting your phone on Do Not Disturb. I love that one. Just taking a break from it, having a chance to take a step back and relax. Number four is do your nails. I love doing my nails. Now, I don't pay to get them done, just because my job is quite physical. Sometimes I have to kind of fit parts, and that would ruin any manicure I get done. And in fact, sometimes I can go in Monday morning and by 2 o'clock in the day they'd be ruined just because of what I've done. But that's not every time, so I just don't know when it's going to happen, if that makes sense. So I can't really plan. But I love doing my nails. My favourite is Barry M Gel Nail Varnish, the High Shine. This is one of my favourite shades of Tiramisu. And then I also use the Green Origin top coat, and I'm wearing sea salt as well. Number five is clean. I love cleaning. It really helps cleanse the space that I'm in.